Hi, in this video we will see how WebHarvy can be used to scrape images from Instagram. So I have loaded Instagram within WebHarvy's browser, and since Instagram requires a login to view data, I have logged in using my account. Now it's always recommended to use a throwaway account while scraping data from websites which require login in case the site blocks your account for scraping. It has not been verified whether Instagram would block you or not, but to be on the safer side. Now, I'm trying to scrape images from this page, and Instagram loads more data as you scroll down. And let's also see how we can scrape images from multiple user profiles using a single configuration. So the first step you need to do is go to settings, click on advanced minor option and select value 1 for the last option in advanced options. Click OK. You can also enable this option because we are planning to scrape multiple profiles. Apply. Now let's start configuration, and so that we can start selecting data. And since the page loads more data as you scroll down, just enable the scroll to load next page option under pagination in configuration. And then to select the image, the problem with Instagram is that when you hover the mouse over the image, an overlay is displayed with the number of likes and comments. So that actually prevents you from really accessing the image. So to overcome this limitation, what you can do is you can zoom in the page if required using pressing the control option on your keyboard and using the scroll wheel of your mouse. And what you have to do is make sure you place the mouse pointer on this gap between these two images. So ideally you want to place the mouse pointer here. So alright, so this is how it should be. You can see that the first image's background, just the white space of the second image is highlighted. Click select capture HTML, select apply regular expression, and select the second option, which is to get the image URL from HTML. Apply and click the capture image option. You need to download the image. Alright, so WebHarvy has automatically detected the multiple images. So let's now add another profile to the configuration. So what you can do is go to configuration and click on keywords, and just repeat this first keyword here, mkbhd. And so I also want to scrape images from Linus Tech Tips, so I just added the profile name also. So the steps is the steps are to add the existing page profile name first, and then add the remaining profiles which you want to scrape. You can add multiple ones in separate lines, so I'm just scraping only one additional profile using this configuration, and click OK. You can stop configuration and start mining data. You can specify the number of pages to mine. Let me mine, in this case, 2 pages. Click on the start, and WebHarvy will ask whether to save downloaded image files. Select the folder and click OK. Now WebHarvy is loading the first profile page. Then it will scroll to load multiple pages. We have requested 2 pages of scraping, so 2 pages will be loaded, and then it will start extracting the data. And you can see the image files which are being pulled here. And the images from the second profile is also now extracted. So you can follow this method to scrape images from Instagram. I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please let us know in comments, or better at support@webharvy.com. Thank you.